back to RC Workshop. So today we've got a new model, the LOSI ROCK REY. Wow, this thing looks absolutely beautiful. Let's take it out of the box and show you. Let's do an unboxing. Forget that. We've already took it out. Yeah! Look at that, guys. What an absolute beautiful piece of kit. It looks stunning. I ain't going to want to scratch this thing up. Let's flick that light on for you pretty quick as well. Boom! What? She's really nice. What I'll do is drop down on the deck and show you what it's all about. See you in a sec. Check this thing out. It's beautiful. This is a LOSI ROCK REY 1/10 rock racer, basically. It's based on a real scale car as well. It's got tube chassis, body panels, and there's a fair few tricks hidden up its sleeve as well. This thing is a really nice piece of kit. Nice travel suspension, nice big chunky tyres on there. Maxxis sponsored as well. Not sure if them are actually the same grip that Maxxis do, but they feel really nice, and they're nice and soft as well, but stay upright because they've got foams inside. Really nice. I like the yellow rim on the outside as well. It's a shame they're not beadlocked, but hey, you can't have everything. So what has this thing got? We've got full Metal Gear transmission. We've got a full Metal Gear servo. The whole thing is waterproof, and it comes with that lovely light on the top as well. That thing, again, not doing much justice in the daytime, but that is a really bright LED light, floods loads of light out in front of the car in the dark. Really nice piece of kit. This cage is attached to the chassis, and I ain't a fan of that normally because you can't get at everything, but LOSI have been really clever on this one. So underneath this fan at the back, you flip, well, what looks like a fan anyway, you flip that up and you've got full access there to all your receiver. Nice Spectrum receiver in there, and you can also see just behind that as well, you have your speed control. Again, waterproof dynamite speed control. I am a fan of these dynamite systems, guys. Never let me down yet. Take some voltage, take some water as well. Really smart system. So what else have we got? Nice big powerful shocks on the back as well, and we've also got the buffers on the bottom as well this time. These shocks feel really nice and plush. I just hope they've got a little bit more in them than they did have on the Tenacity on my previous videos. I wasn't overly amazed by them, but they have got metal tops on as well, so fingers crossed, guys, they've done something with them. We've got a fixed solid axle on the back, and that has a lock diff in there as well, so the back is completely locked up. The front, however, is a differential, so as you can see, that's working nice and smoothly. Feels like it's got a 40 weight oil, a 4,000 weight in there, yeah, at least. What else has this then got? So yeah, 40 mile an hour this will do, guys. 40 mile an hour. So that's on a 2S battery as well, which I'll flip it over and show you all about the battery now. So this is the bottom of the truck. Let's say a nice solid aluminium plate, nice and plush as well. What's that hatch, you're wondering? I'll show you a little video on that as well, which I'll put on. So a 2mm hex drive is all you need. There's 3 bolts. Number 3. Look at this. This is pretty impressive. So you take that off without losing any screws, and you got full access to the motor. And are you ready for this? This motor just slides out of a slot, so you can adjust how close your pinion is to your spur. There's all the gears in there as well, so you can check that they're all off okay and fine. Like I say, literally just slots back down into the slot, your motor's back in place, and then you bolt it all back down again with the bottom of the chassis. I'll get that fixed up and come back to you. Guys, nice access to the motor there. On the front as well, we have nice solid arms, as you can see. There's no arms cut out and no holes in there. It's just one nice solid piece of plastic, and the plastic on this as well is nice and flexible, so it ain't going to snap when we're using it either. So you ask, where does the battery go? So if I just try and flip this around so you can see, there's where the battery goes. Pull the latch to the side, get your battery, slide your battery in, say that's a 2-cell battery, and then fasten the clip on the door, and your battery's in safe. Then you've also got a battery connector attached to the car, so you get your connector on the battery, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Simple as that. That is going to be really nice, guys. I'm pretty happy with that latch and hatch, to be honest. It undoes and closes pretty well. So let's flip this over, turn it on. I'll stick it on the stand and we can give it a whirl, see what it's capable of on the stand. Also, guys, another thing to mention is we have the Spectrum DX2E radio in there with a waterproof receiver. As well as that, we have got AVC again. So literally, if you floor it, this thing will want to put itself in a straight line, and it can do that because it's got a gyro built into the receiver. When I turn the car, look, as you see, it counter steers. You can also turn that down or turn it off completely so that you don't do any of that. Steering feels really nice. Let's say a full Metal Gear steering servo in there, which is also waterproof. Let's give this thing a whirl. So this is running on 2S. Let's go. You gotta love these dynamite systems. The brake on it as well is absolutely fantastic. Really nice piece of kit, and it looks stunning. Like I say, I'm gonna be scared to use this, guys. This is a really nice piece of kit. Right then, so there you go. That is pretty much it. Let's say I'm gonna use this. I really am. I'm gonna take it out as soon as I put a few scratches on it. That'll be it. Then it'll be time to send it, mud it, jump it, you know, whatever. Let's get this thing scratched up. One more thing to mention as well, guys, is this does come with additional light buckets already sprayed in silver. So these light buckets, you drill your holes for your lights and you sit these inside there with additional lights in if you want them on there as well. And it also comes with a cage that holds an FPV camera. If you want to do some FPV, holds the camera inside. Yeah. Right then, guys, so there you have it, the LOSI ROCK REY. What a fantastic piece of kit. This is going to be fantastic. Can't wait to take it out, put some scratches on there, get over it, and then start really bashing this thing about. What I'll do is as well put a little snippet after this, doing a drop test, and maybe put it on as a slow-mo. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah.